Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Steam account on mobile. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Steam, and this process is same on iPhone and Android. So open Steam. Once you open here, you can see that don't have a Steam account. Click here and you need to add your email address. So I'm going to add my email address here. Then you need to confirm your email address again. So you need to type your email address again here. Here you need to select your country of residence. Then you need to click on I am not a robot. And if you are on the age of I am 30 year of age, select that option. Click on continue. And you receive an email from Steam to verify your account. So you need to wait for that. So it will take few seconds, depend on your internet speed as well, and you will receive a code that you need to enter here, and once you add that, your account will be verified, and after that you need to add your username and password, and basically your process is done. So it will take us, I think, some extra time, but the process is same that I just mentioned you. So this is the process how you can create Steam account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.